you go. What's wrong? You don't want the carrot? Oh, honey, here. I gave it to you. Is that better? How's it taste? Tastes good. Oh, wow, you got it in your mouth. Oh, what do you think? Be careful. Good job. That's pretty good. Is that good carrot? You're doing a good job putting it in your mouth. Yummy, yummy. Chew, go. Is it good? Is it good? Mmm. Tastes good? Yummy. Tastes good? I think that's just fingers in your mouth now. I think that's just fingers.